Okay, good morning, Marcus. Good morning, everyone. Uh, for some of you, maybe it's good evening, but however, welcome to our webinar. In today's webinar, we're going to talk about the IronPDF advantages for your business. We will cover different topics, and we will show you how it's easy to use IronPDF for Python. This webinar, we divided to three sections. First of all, we will talk about Iron software and about us a little bit. Then we will go to talk about IronPDF for Python, and we will show you some examples of how easy it's to use IronPDF. And then the last section, we will answer on your questions. If you are ready, then let's get started. Okay, so let me introduce Marcus. Marcus is a global sales director here at Iron. Marcus, could you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, hi, Vlad. Good to join this webinar. I'm the Global Sales Director, as Vlad mentioned. We've got a sales team that's located around the globe and able to support customers in any time zone. And I'm really looking forward to this webinar, Vlad.
Perfect. Thank you. And my name is Vladislav. I'm hold different titles here at Iron, but today I'm Python developer. So I will demonstrate how to use IronPDF for Python. Okay. Marcus, could you please tell us a little bit about Iron software for people who don't know about us yet?
Yes, well, we have been around since 2015. We're now quite a mature but still young company, growing very fast. We are based in the US and out of Thailand. Both Vlad and I are based in Thailand, but as I mentioned earlier, we have a sales team and other team members for Iron located around the globe. We have now 9 products in the Iron software suite, and you can see that IronPDF was in fact the first product that we launched back in 2015, and then a regular progression of adding new functionality and new products to our code libraries over the intervening period. And that's accelerated in the last 2 or 3 years, and we have more products in the pipeline. Currently exceeding 44 million downloads of our software. So this is not new software. This has been around for quite some time and is well tested and very stable. So you can trust in the Iron software code libraries. We have customers now across 95 countries. We are in excess of 50 employees and growing strongly.
Thank you, Marcus. Yeah, so that's great, and probably some of you haven't heard about IronPDF for Python yet. Maybe you heard about IronPDF for .NET because it's our flagship product, but in recent year we developed new things. It's IronPDF for Python. Actually, IronPDF right now is available for .NET, Node.js, Java, and Python. And in today's webinar, we're going to show you how it's easy to use IronPDF in your Python application. So IronPDF actually has many functionality. And in today's webinar, we can't cover everything, but we will show you maybe top 5 things that probably will be useful for some of your business. As you could see in this feature set, we have a lot of functionality. IronPDF is a really powerful library if you need to work with your PDF document, if you need to streamline your document workflow. As you can see, it's a cross-platform. It's supported by, so it's work on Linux, Docker, Microsoft Azure, and so on. So you can use IronPDF almost for every operation system and almost all cloud platforms. Okay, so another main thing that I would like to highlight about IronPDF that probably other libraries lacking is a perfect pixel perfect rendering. IronPDF is well known about HTML to PDF conversion. It can convert your HTML document into PDF document. It will be pixel perfect. You can't tell where is the HTML and where is PDF. That's why in today's webinar, I'm going to show you some of examples with pixel perfect conversion. So let's get started with my coding session. So first of all, I would like to highlight for you where you can get IronPDF and what you need to do before you start using it. You can visit ironpdf.com website/Python, then go to the top menu, Docs, and click Get Started. Then you will be able to see what you need to install on your computer before you can use IronPDF for Python. First of all, it's .NET SDK. Then we will need Python language, of course, and then we will need pip, is a package manager for Python. And the last thing, of course, we need IronPDF. So let me show you how it's easy. I just copy this pip command. I open my Visual Studio Code. I insert this command, so we will install IronPDF here. Then all what we need to do, you can go to our website and you can apply for free trial license key. Free trial available for 30 days. So by submitting this form, you will get 30 days trial key that you can use, and you can see all functionality of IronPDF without any limitations. So I already have my trial key here, and let me show you first example. What we will going to do, we will convert HTML string into PDF document, and it's so easy. First of all, we need to import the PDF library. Then we need to provide our trial key or real key, so it's up to you. Then we need to initialize from renderer and use render HTML as PDF method. Then we provide the HTML string. Right now I create just short version because I don't want waste of your time. And then we will use save as method to save our PDF. Let's run this script now, and you will be able to see how it's work. Okay, so I ran the script, and as you can see, this is my PDF document. I'll open it here. So this is my first document. Hello world. So as you can see, it's PDF. It's made of HTML string. So it's so easy. As you can see, only 3 lines of code and you get your PDF. Probably another great feature that most of you need, it's a URL to PDF conversion. Like I said, IronPDF working so well with HTML. Sometimes if you need to convert any website into PDF document, you can use this method. I'll show you one example. Again, we will use our key, then we initialize our Chrome renderer, and here I'll set up some property to get desktop version of our website, because nowadays many websites responsive. So to make sure that you get right scale, you can adjust the specific parameters here, and then you provide the URL by using this render URL as a PDF. I'm using Wikipedia for now, and let's try to run our code here. I'll use this URL. Okay. Sometimes it could take up to, I believe, 1 minute, depends on how big is that website and how responsive it is. But right now it's pretty fast. So this is our PDF. As you can see, it's a Wikipedia page. It looks really perfect. If we will go to the Wikipedia website, as you can see, this is website and this is our PDF. It's a pixel perfect. Okay, let me demonstrate few more examples that could be useful in your document workflow. For example, sometimes we finish at the conversion URL to PDF, and let me show you example. So for those of you who haven't seen it yet, look at this. This is our PDF, and this is the Wikipedia. So as you could see, it's really pixel perfect. So that's why many people love this functionality of IronPDF. It's convert the result almost identical. So you can't say that you can't tell the difference between PDF and HTML. Okay, let me go back to show you a few more examples. We can convert, for example, image to PDF, or we can convert PDF into image. Let me show you how it's easy to do it. For example, we have our PDF here. Let me, for example, I'll be using this one, URL to PDF. And I will convert this PDF right now into an image. So only 2 lines of code. Okay, only 3 lines of code you need. And then you will be able to convert your PDF into an image. So as you can see, PDF to image, okay, convert. Okay, I run this code, and then we have our image here. As you can see, this is our image. It's a PNG image with our screenshot from PDF website or from Wikipedia website. It's so easy. Uh, if you want to know other functionality that you can use with IronPDF, for example, if you want to do other things, you can go to our website, visit the page with code examples, and you will see there's a lot of different things that you can do with IronPDF. We try to provide full documentation with code examples, and the important thing, we have live support here. If you will have any questions during your trial period, you will be able to ask our support team any questions related to our library. So it's so important. You will never be alone. Okay, so let me show you a few other examples how you can work with existing PDF. I know some of you encounter issue when you need to merge different PDF together. For example, maybe you get a PDF from various departments and your goal is combine them together. And for this, we have really good method inside IronPDF that can help you combine multiple PDF into one PDF. So as you can see on our website, we have great tutorial. It's called Merge PDF. So it's really detailed tutorial that you can follow, and I will show you how it's easy. So I'll provide few lines of code here. This is my first document, this is my second document, and right now I will use merge method of PDF document class to save this PDF into one file. So all what I'll do, I'll run this code right now. Okay, merge. So we have some issue, but don't worry, we will fix it soon. I see it. So we have some problem with the path here. Let me replace it. Yeah. Okay, seems it's working now, and this is our result. Okay, this is our PDF that combines 2 PDFs together. So I just use 2 PDFs from here. This is my first PDF file, and this was my second PDF file, and this is the result. 2 PDF files together. So easy and so perfect. Okay, few other examples before we go to the next section. I would like to show you how you can extract certain text from PDF, because sometimes it's useful, because if you need to, for example, process some document and pass the content from that document to another application, or for example, you need to create some automation and you need to know some details from PDF, you can extract text from the PDF file. So all what we need to do, for example, I will use my PDF that we just created from HTML. I will use this PDF. We are going to use PDF document class and extract all text method. So I'll pass here the path to our PDF document. Then I will print the result into the terminal. So let me run this code. Okay. And as you can see, this is our text from this PDF. So this is our hello world, and this is our hello world here. So IronPDF is working perfectly with all PDF documents, so you almost never have issues. So all what you need to do, if sometimes you encounter some issue and you struggle with something, you can go back to our website, try to read tutorial, read documentation, and you can ask our support team to assist you. Okay, so and let me demonstrate another cool features, because sometimes you probably need split PDFs, because okay, we can merge PDF, but sometimes we need split PDF into different files because we won't share these files with different members of the team maybe. And for this we have perfect function that can help you copy different pages and split it into different PDFs. So we will use copy method here of PDF document class. So it's my simple example. I will use my merge PDF document that I just created in the previous step. All what we need to do, provide this real few lines of code. We will use loop here to save each page as a separate file. And right now I will run this code and it will be, okay, split PDF. Let's look. And as you can see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 documents here. Let me show it here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So easy. So you don't have to be experienced developer to use our library. It's so simple and so easy. Yeah, and probably I can demonstrate for you one more, and maybe the last feature, because I don't want to waste your time, is a security feature that probably could be useful nowadays, because nowadays we want to prevent data leaking and we want to secure our documents. And for this, we have functionality that can help you password protect your document. So all what we need to do, we need to provide the document that we want to secure. For example, I'll show you my merge PDF document. Currently, it's without password protection. So what we are going to do, we will set up passwords for this document. We can set up owner password and user password. So owner will have right to edit the document, and user will have the right to view the document. And we will save the result as a protected PDF. So let's try to run this code again. As you can see, all what we need, just 3 lines of code and nothing else. So easy. Okay. Run this script, and this is our result. Protected. Let's find protected PDF. As you could see, when I try to open this document, it will require a password. Let's check if it's worked. So excited. Okay, secret password. Try to insert the password. Yes, and it's working. As you can see, all the documents protected, and you don't have to worry about security and any other things. You can share this document with your partners, with your stakeholders, and nobody know what inside without the password. So it's so easy to implement this functionality. So as you can see, IronPDF is so simple, so easy to use, and we can cover a lot of different functions, but unfortunately we don't have enough time in this webinar. I recommend you to visit our website. You can see all the code examples, you can see all the features that we have here, and you can try it by yourself. Just apply for free trial license key, and you will be able to do the things inside your Python application using IronPDF. So let's get back to our slides. Okay, so Marcus. Marcus?
I'm here.
I would like you help me to highlight some reason why usually developer and what usually developer says about IronPDF and what. Yeah.
Sure. And Vlad, I love listening to your presentation there. It's great to see an excited developer. And
Thank you. Yeah, I did my best.
I think you showed that it is really quite simple to use. And just a couple of other points I might make about your presentation.
Yeah.
That do use the trial. Our goal is to have customers downloading the trial and up and running live their trial within 5 minutes. This is not
Yes.
a complex process. This happens really, really quickly. The tools are easy to use.
Yeah.
The step-by-step guides will get you started within 5 minutes, right? So
Exactly.
That's number one. And then in terms of support, unlike some of our competitors, we don't charge for the support. When you get the full license, you get a year's free support. That means you can use it as much as you like of our live chat, our Slack channel, and our email services, right? So fill your boots is what I would say. We want customers to have a successful experience with our product. Now, back to use cases. With 44 million downloads, you can imagine it's just about every industry in the world, including government. Extensive use by government, security organization, government services around the world use our product and find it safe and secure to include in their software applications. Here are just three, right? Brent from Open, his use case is all about productivity and efficiency. He wants fast processing and to remove manual processing from his business. And that's what works for him. Milan, on the other hand, a Microsoft MVP, it's his favorite code library, IronPDF, and he likes the capability to export PDFAs, digitally signing PDF documents, and Vlad showed the password protection on documents, just one of the security features there. David, on the other hand, from a building firm, wants to create floor plans and improving inventory management. So there's three very, very different use cases. I'm not sure what your use case is, but this is a productivity and efficiency tool within your applications, can make almost any business, whether it's government or private sector business, more efficient and effective.
Yeah, that's great, Marcus. And I know there's millions of reasons why you should select IronPDF, but let's highlight top 3 reasons why people should use our product.
So we get a lot of feedback, and when we coalesce all of that feedback, there are 3 top reasons why people choose IronPDF. Firstly, it just works, right? And this is, you want your software to just work.
Yeah.
You want it to be easy and straightforward to get up and running, and it just works. And partly because this is not a brand new product, right? The Python version of it is relatively new, but IronPDF as a product has now been around for a few years. So the bugs and kinks are all gone. It's a very stable and robust product with growing functionality over time. You get the professional support, and we've talked a lot on this webinar about the professional support that's available to you. Being able to talk to engineers who built the product, right, within 30 seconds is a very, very compelling support feature. And then quality. So Vlad showed you the pixel perfect rendering. This is a high quality product, right? So it will do the job that you want it to do at a very high quality. And they're the 3 core areas of feedback that we get around the top reasons for using IronPDF, Vlad. I've talked about the 24/5 support and the different support channels. We cover all time zones, so it doesn't matter where you are in the world. Our support team can help you. You've got the live chat, you've got email, and for more deeply technical questions, you can screen share with our engineers. And of course, we've got the Slack public channel as well. Hopefully that helps people understand the support model, Vlad.
Yeah, thank you, Marcus. Thank you. It was really well explained. And so just try IronPDF and you will be able to see how it's easy and how wonderful our support team is. Okay, so it's time to your questions. I believe we have around 5 or 6 questions from our audience today, and we will try to cover this question in this webinar. So Marcus, maybe if you can read for me all that questions, I will try to answer on all of them. And if I'm not be able to answer right now, I will ask our support team to bring the answer for some of you. We get your email, so we will try to reply you by email. So, but I'll do my best to give the answer right now.
Okay, Vlad, I can see we've had, I think, 1, 2, 3, I've got 6 questions here, I think. So
Okay.
if I buy Python, do I have to pay again for the other languages?
Okay, that's really good question. So actually, like I mentioned previously at the beginning of our webinar, IronPDF is available for .NET, Node.js, Java, and Python. And you can buy just one product for any language, and you will get other languages for free. So buy one, get three free. So it's a really good offer. You will be able to play with your application in a different environment. So buy one, get three IronPDF for other languages.
Right. The second question, and I think I partly answered this one earlier, is there a cap on support? And the questioner says, I use ASPOs now, and I think I only get 5 tickets as a limit for my support. Is there a cap on support, Vlad?
For your surprise, we don't have any limits. So you can ask as many questions as you want, especially in live chat. And as Marcus mentioned, within 30 seconds, our support team will be contacting you, will be answering on your question. If you want to try, please try it now on our website. There's a support button. You can click and chat with our support team. No limitation.
Okay, thank you. Third question, where are there more code examples? Can you share that website link?
Yeah, sure. More code examples you can find on our website. It's ironpdf.com/Python. And then on the top, you will see the section with the docs. There is a code examples, tutorials, and many other things. Let me show you right now. This is our website. All what you need to do, go to code example section, and you will see a lot of code examples here for different things. And it's so easy to follow. All what you need to do, just copy it and paste it into your Python application. That's all. So simple.
Perfect, thanks, Vlad. Does IronPDF work with your other products? The question is saying they've got Iron Excel already. So does IronPDF work with Iron Excel?
Yes. IronPDF is working almost with everything. If you extract the data and you can pass this data into different libraries, plus our libraries, of course. Right now we have Iron Excel available for Python, and you can use these tools together. It's so easy. As you could see in my example, it's just 3 lines of code, and you're able to do certain manipulation with your PDF document. You can extract the text, you can pass that text into Excel library and do other manipulation further. So yes, it's work together with different library and perfectly combine with Iron Excel for Python.
Great, thanks, Vlad. And I know from the sales side, we often speak to customers who are combining a different Iron product suite to create extended automation of business processes. That's a common use case. The last question I've got here, Vlad, is can I deploy on Linux?
That's a good question. And as you could see in my example, I'm using Linux in this coding session. I actually used Linux, and the answer is yes. You can use IronPDF for Linux, for Mac, in Azure, and any other clouds.
Great, thanks, Vlad. They're the questions that I've seen from our watchers.
Perfect. Then probably that's it. Thank you so much, Marcus, for spend time with me and audience today. It was really useful. I'm so happy to see you. Unfortunately, not in the office today, but yeah, it's so excited to see you. And thank you so much, everyone, for joining us today. Thank you so much for your questions. And I hope you will try IronPDF for Python pretty soon. And if you will have any questions, please ask our support. As I mentioned, free 30-day trial is available. Please try it, use it, and enjoy IronPDF for Python. Thank you so much, and bye-bye.
Thanks, Vlad.
Bye-bye.